Hello, food lovers! Today we're embarking on a sweet journey to create the ultimate chocolate chip cookies. This isn't your ordinary recipe. What makes it special, you ask? Well, it's all about the perfect balance of crisp edges and a gooey center, achieved by using a unique combination of ingredients. Not to mention, it's as easy as pie to make, even if you're a baking novice. So, ready to make your kitchen smell like a bakery? Let's dive into the ingredients. For our cookie adventure, we need the following ingredients. All-purpose flour forms the base, while baking soda gives our cookies their perfect rise. A pinch of salt enhances the flavors. Unsalted butter brings a creamy richness, harmonizing with the sweetness of white and brown sugar. The vanilla extract adds a hint of exotic warmth. Eggs act as a binder, keeping our cookies together. And of course, the star of the show, chocolate chips, delivering that delightful gooey, chocolatey bite. With these simple ingredients, we're set to make an irresistible batch of cookies. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to start baking. Our first step is to get our oven heated to a warm 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While that's getting up to temperature, let's grab a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper. This will ensure our cookies don't stick, and they slide right off once they're golden and delicious. Next, we're going to take care of our dry ingredients. Grab a bowl and whisk together your all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. The whisking isn't just for mixing, it also helps to aerate the flour, contributing to a lighter, more tender cookie. Now, it's time for some sweet magic. Beat the unsalted butter, white sugar, and brown sugar together until they're creamy and well combined. This process, known as creaming, incorporates air into our mixture, giving the cookies their lift. Once that's looking good, add in your vanilla extract and eggs. Remember to add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition to ensure they're fully incorporated. Now that we have our wet and dry ingredients prepared, it's time to bring them together. Gradually blend the dry mixture into the creamed mixture. Be sure to do this slowly to avoid overmixing, which could result in tough cookies. We want our cookies to be tender and soft. And what's a chocolate chip cookie without the star of the show? At this point, stir in your chocolate chips. Whether you prefer them chunky or finely chopped is up to you. The important part is that they're mixed evenly throughout the dough. Finally, we've arrived at the baking stage. Using a spoon or a cookie scoop, drop rounded balls of cookie dough onto your prepared baking sheets. Give them plenty of room to spread out as they bake. Pop them into your preheated oven and let the magic happen. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. The intoxicating smell of freshly baked cookies should be filling your kitchen by now. And that's how you make the perfect chocolate chip cookies. But the proof is in the tasting. Our cookies are now ready and they smell fantastic. Straight from the oven, they're golden brown and the chocolate chips have melted to perfection. We'll let them cool for a bit before we dive in. It's important to let them rest, as this allows the cookies to set and the flavors to fully develop. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. As we bite into the cookie, the first thing we notice is the texture. It's a perfect balance between chewy and crispy. The edges have a slight crunch, while the center is soft and gooey. Then comes the flavor. The sweetness of the sugars complements the richness of the chocolate chips, and there's a hint of vanilla that ties everything together. These cookies are a true delight, a perfect blend of chewy and crispy with a burst of chocolatey goodness. There you have it, folks. The ultimate chocolate chip cookies. You've seen how easy it is, now it's your turn to give it a go. Fill your home with the irresistible aroma of freshly baked cookies. And when you do, we want to hear all about it. Did you add a twist to the recipe? How did they turn out? So roll up those sleeves, preheat that oven, and let the cookie magic happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your cookie success stories. Happy baking! That's it for today's recipe, folks. If you haven't already, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We've got plenty more delicious recipes coming your way, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single one. We want to thank you all for your continued support. Your likes, comments, and shares truly make all the difference. Until next time, keep baking and keep sharing the love. Remember, The kitchen is where memories are made. Happy baking!